Today, we're going to be talking about agent statuses. Agents will have a status throughout the day. It'll be manually set by them in the contact control panel. When agents want to begin taking contacts, they'll set their status in the contact control panel to available. We can see, for example, I'm in the offline status. If I were to click here and go to available, I'd begin receiving calls when they're routed to me. When agents want to stop taking inbound contacts, they can set their status to a custom status that you create, such as break or training, or they can set their status to offline. You can create custom statuses for your agents by going to the Users tab and clicking on Agent Status. Here you will see all your statuses listed, along with their descriptions. Take note that available is the only routable type of status. As well, offline is the only true offline status. In order to add a new status for your agents to use, simply click on Add New Agent Status in the top right. Enter the name of the status, the description, and then press Save. Once your agents refresh their contact control panel, they should be able to choose the new status that you just created.